Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I bought this beautiful design for you. You can make this design in your blanket or you can make as a border of your sweater. It's a beautiful design and it's easy to make. It's also called a braid design. You can see this is the pattern. We have to repeat every time. Get here. Let's start making it together. Let's make this pattern. Make a knot. We need multiple of 2 stitches in this pattern plus 1. So whatever stitches number you are taking, take multiple of 2 and then 1 extra. So I am taking 21 stitches to show you this design only. So this is 21 chains ready. The second chain from your hook, 1 into second chain, make first single crochet. This all row is working in single crochet. Single crochet. After last single crochet, just take 1 chain and turn your work. This row again we are working with 1 single crochet, but this time we are working in a back loop over here. So first and second chain from your hook, make single crochet like this. Every time you have to work in a back loop. So second row done as well. Now chain 1 again and turn your work. Okay, so this time what I'm going to do, I will work, skip 1 chain and then work in the second one. You can see here. So I will work in the second chain. I will make a single crochet here. Then I work back in this one that I left or I skipped. I will work here the puff stitch, and again I skip 1 chain and I will work 1 single crochet in the 4th one and then work back in the 3rd one with the puff stitch. So you can see, skip 1st chain and in the 2nd chain we are skipping, and in the 3rd one we are going to make 1 single crochet like this. 1 single crochet. Now the one we skipped here, go back here, we have to make 2 puff of 2 double crochet. So you have 3 now. Yarn over again, go back in the same hole, yarn over again, bring it back. Now you can see you have 1 2 3 4 5 together. Yarn over again, bring all 4 out. Now you have 2 left and yarn over and 2 together. So you can see now the braid style came here. Now again skip this and single crochet in 4th one. Okay, we are not working in the back loop, we are working under the chain. So single crochet and then in the 3rd one we skip, double crochet, puff 1, again yarn over, back in that, again yarn over, bring it outside, and then yarn over, bring this 4 out. Now we have 2 left here, yarn over and do it again. Can you see 2 here again? One more time. You can see now in the last 2, again single crochet, turn, now chain 1, turn your work. Now again you have to do the same thing, skip first, look, this is first and this is second, so you have to skip this one and working on this one a single crochet, and again the same thing, you have to work back like this, puff stitch again, then 1 and 2, skip 1, single crochet in second one, again this one that we skipped, double crochet puff, 1, 2. You have to do only 2 times the this puff. Now 2, again this single crochet, then again go back in the skipped one, make 2 puff over there, follow the same design until you reach the end of this row. Now this row finished as well, you can see. Now chain 1, so we have 1 2 3 4, now we are going to make 5, 5th one, again keep the first stitch over here, in second one you have to make slip stitch, but yarn over slip stitch, yarn over, and in the back loop make slip stitch, then yarn over, in the back loop make slip stitch, yarn over, in the back loop, again slip stitch. So work like this until the end of this row. I'm done with this row. Again take 1 chain and turn your work and do the same thing again. In the second chain from your hook, yarn over, slip stitch like this, yarn over, slip stitch, in the back loop yarn over, slip stitch, the back loop. So keep going until the end of the row. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this is 6th row pattern and you have to repeat it again and again. Let me show you until I finished. So you can see it's a 6 row pattern and it's complete. You have to repeat now from 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6, again from row 3 you have to repeat the pattern. So this is actual pattern. You have to repeat it again and again because we already made these two designs at the sides. So now repeat this one, 3 and 4th row up here, and you can see by repeating this you can have this much design. You can see. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.